You've got a work trip, you've got a vacation, you've got to go somewhere that's outside of your normal routine, and well, you want to keep your workout in that non-normal routine. And when you're doing the Tracy Anderson method, you can't just expect to go to some hotel gym or just do anything. You've got to be prepared. And I'm actually preparing to travel on a work trip. I want to stay consistent with Tracy Anderson method. And I figured it'd be a great idea to share with you how I'm preparing for that and just some tips that help me. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rachel. This is Rundown with Rachel. Each week I share content around the Tracy Anderson method and sprinkle in some random videos as well. If that's of interest to you, would love for you to subscribe. If you don't like it, if you don't want to subscribe, I won't knock you for it. So in this video, we're gonna cover 3 major topics. We're gonna talk packing, we're gonna talk preparation, we're gonna talk post-workout, because that's a whole nother animal, dealing with super sweaty hair when you have to go to a work meeting in person. It's a whole nother thing. We're gonna cover that too. And of course, if in this video you find that there's room to share your own tips, please be sure to share in the comments below. That is the gold of this channel, are those comments. We don't even need my videos, it's just like comments. So let's start with packing. Obviously, you wanna start by thinking of what things do you need for your Tracy Anderson workout to make it the best. This may involve you even calling a hotel or finding out what your situation's gonna be like so you can prepare. So obviously, the basics of your Tracy Anderson setup, you've got ankle weights, you've got your hand weights, maybe you need some headphones, maybe you need a mat, and of course something to stream your workout on, like a computer. Those are the bare minimum of what you need for your workout. So we got those supplies we need, but then you also need to pack for your workout outfits. And you want to be really smart about it, because if you're having to pack all sorts of other outfits, you don't want your workout clothes to just take up your whole suitcase either. So if you're traveling by plane, it's important to be aware that when packing your ankle weights in your suitcase, you're gonna need to take them out for security. Whether you have TSA pre-check or not, they will end up taking your bag if they find that you have ankle weights or some type of weights in there. This goes for the hand weights too. Now, when I'm gonna be traveling, I'm not gonna take ankle weights with me because I'm not using ankle weights during metamorphosis. I'm also not gonna take hand weights because it's such a small part of the workout. I don't think it's really going to make a big difference if I don't bring them with me. What I can do instead probably is use water bottles. If there is a hotel gym that has those weights, I'll use those, but I'm not gonna pack it. It's just too much for me. But if you wanna pack it and you're going on a plane, be aware you're gonna wanna take them out when you go through security. So ankle weights, hand weights, mat. Every time I've traveled and I've done the Tracy Anderson workout, there's been a rug that I'm able to work out on, and that works just fine. If I knew I was going somewhere where it's only hard surfaces, I would pack a foldable yoga mat, one that can really be consolidated. It's not as thick, but it is packer friendly. If you wanted to, you could probably get a special backpack or way to carry a yoga mat if you wanted to. And then again, if you are staying at a hotel or somewhere that has a small gym, you probably do have access to some type of mat. Headphones, of course, really help so that you can listen to your music. When it comes to streaming the workout, I usually have my laptop with me, but I could even watch it on my phone if I desperately needed to. Especially when you get familiar with the workouts, you don't need as big of a screen because you know what the moves are when you're several days into the level. Then when it comes to outfits, please don't judge me on this one. One of these trips I have coming up, I'm gonna be traveling Monday through Friday. So I'll probably work out Monday morning, and then I've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be working out 4 outfits. Instead of packing 4 different sets of bottoms, 4 different tops, I'll definitely do like 4 sports bras, but because those things can take up space, what I do is I will rewear certain items. So for those 4 days, I'll pack probably 2 outfits, and I'll wear the first workout outfit day 1, and then day 3, and then the other workout outfit day 2 and day 4. And I know I can get away with that because I'm gonna be working out indoors. I'm not gonna be sweating as much. It's only 30 minutes. It's not like I'm gonna be super gross. If I make time for walking, which I may do, I don't see myself sweating excessively. And even if I did, even if it got to that point, again, don't be judging me here, I could always like rinse them off and hang them to dry. That's worked for me in the past. There's also likely going to be a washer dryer where I'm at if I want to go that route. But call me gross, I will rewear an outfit and it's fine. Of course, you got to pack your sneakers too and your socks. I've reworn socks before too. Don't judge me. So that takes care of packing. I'm not gonna bring ankle weights or hand weights. I am going to pack really light on my workout clothes. I will likely be working out in my hotel room where there will be a rug, and I'm gonna watch my computer and follow the moves that way. All right, now getting into the actual workouts and how we can prepare for them. Have you ever found yourself going on a trip, you pack all the workout clothes, you have what you need, and you're all amped up and you put so much pressure on yourself to work out while you're away, and then something gets in the way and it just all goes out the window? That has happened to me so many different times, and I think it's because I would be really hard on myself and put all this pressure, and it was just too much pressure I put on myself. Instead, I focus on how good it will feel when I get my day started with that workout. How can I best prepare? Making sure that I go to bed early, making sure that I have my clothes laid out, doing what I can to support myself for my workout, and really seeing the value in it and the benefit in it. So that's how I like to prepare for my workout, making sure I have everything I need, getting excited about how accomplished I'm gonna feel by doing the workout when I'm out of my normal routine. And then something else that we really haven't talked much about is how to care for your hair after your workout. Now, I don't expect to get super sweaty when I work out in my indoor hotel room, but lately when I've been working out in my garage, when it is super hot and humid here in Florida, you don't even have to work out to be sweating. I sweat like crazy, and I've been able to work around washing my hair by these tricks I'm going to share with you now. I went down the rabbit hole of watching tutorials about how to care for your hair when you're sweating, and this has absolutely worked for me. When you do have your hair first washed and clean, that's the best time to put in dry shampoo. It really does extend the life of your hair so that you don't have to wash it as frequently. Putting dry shampoo in your clean hair, yes, it's a way to be very proactive. But when it comes to after the workout, when I'm super sweaty, there's a few things that have really helped. One is this post-workout dry shampoo mist. I don't use this every time, but it absolutely has come in handy. And with this, you just want to shake it super well, spray it about 6 inches from your head, let it sit for 30 seconds before you actually run fingers through your hair or brush it out. So what I do is I kind of activate it by just rubbing it in after 30 seconds. Some people don't like this as much, and I wonder if it's because they're not letting it sit in. Let it sit in, it does help. This is nice to have. It's not absolutely necessary, but it has helped me. And then what I'll do after that, if I use that or even if I don't, is I will actually blow dry my sweaty hair. Yes, you can blow dry your sweaty hair. I always thought that sweaty hair meant greasy hair. It doesn't. It's just salty hair, really. And it actually creates for a great texture. So I will just blow dry the sweat. Yes, I know some people are probably gonna be grossed out, but don't knock it till you try it. It works fine. And once it's dry, I will put dry shampoo powder in my hair. This one's super cheap. It works incredibly well. I like this better than the spray ones. And it's like I just blow dried my hair after I use this. This is for medium to dark hair. I'm sure they have ones for blondes too. I will link both, but this is super cheap. It works awesome. One of my friends told me about it and it lasts forever. I will say it doesn't have a scent to it, which I'm sure some people prefer, but I like to feel like my hair is clean with a scent to it. And I have all sorts of different dry shampoos or like touch-up sprays. This is a great travel one, this living proof full dry volume blast. There's all sorts of dry shampoos that work great. I like it for the smell. It makes me feel like I did get a blowout. But blow drying it, if you haven't tried blow drying sweaty hair yet, you need to. And having some dry shampoo options really make a big difference. And it's a way to get ready very quickly when you have sweaty workout hair. So in a nutshell, that's how I pack, prepare, and care for myself after my workout. I didn't mention that I shower, but I do shower after I work out. The hair is a big topic, dealing with sweaty hair. If you're washing it every time, you likely don't need to. Those are my tips. Now you know I'm gonna ask you what yours are. How do you travel with Tracy Anderson? How do you support yourself to increase the likelihood that you will work out? Would love to learn from you all in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any video topics you'd like me to cover, please let me know. And with that, look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.